we're gonna unbox these things, okay? Let's go. Ooh, holy, damn! Look like a rainbow color, huh? Oh, we got the earbud. Oh, it's USB-C type. Charger things. It's easy. Wow, another one. Does it come with the pre-installed screen protector? Yes, it does. Just like S10, S10 Plus. Ooh, man. Light it up, man. Let's go. This one. Yeah. Holy. What we got? No 10, 10 Plus. Wow. It takes a while. Keep going.
We can really get going. You can restore the settings and contents from your old device. Wi-Fi would be quite handy here.
Skip. Just a second. Yep. I have to say, even the Note 10, the screen seems okay. Everybody complain, even me complain about the, 1080p, but personally, I think it looks fine. Holy shoot, man! The animation is swift. That's cool, buddy. Ooh. Let's try the camera stuff. The Bixby gonna be a little bit tricky, but the camera will be fine. Holy.
Where's camera?
Right here. The red one. Yeah. Damn. Hey, I have to say, even the 1080p, it sounds terrible on paper, but when we have in hand, I have no complaint. 1080p is just alright. It's probably gonna save you some battery, right? And let's see the S Pen. Got an S Pen right here. Woohoo! S Pen shit. What is that? Okay. Holy, you tell us air action and shit. It works. That's a button right here. Oh, look, comes a lot of options if you do that. Okay, the photo things, the move and everything. Hell, cool. That's cool. Okay, today's unbox just be right here, and everyone, the S10, S10 Plus definitely gonna be the best phone this year. Yeah, so guys, I have to say, even the 1080 looks great in person. Just skip the rating things on the paper like specs. We don't care. I have to say, it's good. I'm okay with that.